How do I find the vertex so I can fill in my XY table? Good. Okay, someone new. What's my B value? 0. What's my A value? So 0 divided by anything would just give us what? So vertex goes in the middle, right? One less than that, one greater than that. Okay, now that I have my X values, what do I do to find my Y values? Yep. What's negative 2 squared? What's 4 minus 4? 0. What's negative 1 squared? And then 1 minus 4? Good. 0 squared minus 4 is? And could you plug these into a calculator if you can't do the math in your head? Yep. What's 1 squared? And then minus 4. And then 2 squared, and then that minus 4 is? And then there are all your points. If I asked you for the AOS, axis of symmetry, what would you tell me? X equals 0. Perfect. It's the X value at your vertex. Is this parabola going up or down? Up, because A is positive. So does that mean I have a maximum or a minimum? Minimum. And then I'm going to graph it. We should see that it mirror images, and then we have a U shape. Okay, are we good with that? Any questions? Okay, go backwards one page. Number 1, would this graph be going up or down? Which one? Down. Why is it going down? Because my A value is negative. So is that a max or a min? Number 2, up or down? Because A is positive. Is that a max or a min? Number 3, up or down? Awesome. Max or min? Perfect. And don't worry about number 4. Go back one more page. So now we're on page which one? 10? Go ahead and complete number 1. Go ahead and do all of number 1. So really all you need to do is they've given you the X value in the table, just fill in your Y value and graph it. Okay, now you are going to do 4.3 homework assignment in Schoology. You have up to 3 attempts on that. Make sure to complete the whole thing to the best of your abilities.